For keep watching my video. So let's go to the verse 43. So verse 43, the first word here is waihe. It has a conjunction and verb kal, and it is a infinitive, a third person masculine singular. So let's go to the word kal. Kal, it is translated to the English word as all, and it is a collective noun and masculine singular common. So let's go to the word bikor. Bikor in English, the firstborn, and the syntax of this word, it is a noun and masculine singular. So let's go to zakar. Zakar in English means males, and the syntax or the parsing of this word is nominative, a noun, masculine, singular. So let's go to bimeshpar. Bimeshpar, it has a preposition be, prefix be, and also it is a noun and masculine singular common. So let's go to the word shame or simoit. It is the root word of this word, from the root word shame in English, of names according to. So it is nominative, masculine, plural. So let's go to another word, mibben. Mibben has a preposition and also a noun, a masculine, a common noun. So let's go to the hodesh. Hodesh in English, amount. So it is a noun, a masculine, singular. And next, wamala. Wamala. So wamala, it has a conjunction wow and adverb and third person feminine singular. So let's go to likadihem. In English, of those who were numbered of them, it has a preposition le and a verb kal infinitive. It is a masculine plural common and a third person masculine plural from the root word pakad. So let's go to another word, sinayem. Sinayem or numbered, it is the same, or the parts of this verse, it is a number, masculine, a cardinal number, masculine, a dual. So let's go to another word, weesherem. It has a conjunction we, and it is also a numbered and a common plural. So let's go to elep. Elep, it also a number. In English, thousands. So it is also a number, masculine, singular. So let's go to silosha. Silosa. So it is, in English, it means tree. It is also a number, masculine, singular. So let's go to wishebem. It has a conjunction wow, also a number, a common, plural. So let's go to umatayim. It means and 200. It has a conjunction wow and also a number, feminine, a dual. So thank you for watching my video, and that's all.